We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Epson Workforce WF3540 printer, and we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. Now the reason we're going to clean the scanner glass is we've noticed that whenever we're making copies or scans, we've been getting lines and blemishes on our pages, and that's going to indicate that there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So the first thing I want to do is go and open up the top of the scanner. Now when I do that, you'll notice there's actually two separate pieces of glass under here. You have your large flatbed scanner for doing your face down copies, and then there's a small strip of glass here on the left. And what that one's for is whenever you're using this top document feeder to do any kind of copying or scanning, all of that's being done on the small strip of glass here on the left. So the reason I explain that to you is so that depending on when you're noticing those blemishes occurring, whether it be when you're doing the face down copies or you're using the top document feeder, that's going to tell you what piece of glass you need to focus most of your cleaning on. So once you get that figured out, you're going to need a lint-free cloth and your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol. Glass cleaner is definitely preferred. And then the biggest tip I can give you is please apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth, never to the glass on the printer. If you apply the glass cleaner directly to the glass on the printer, you run a higher risk of the cleaner seeping underneath the glass, and that can actually cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth, never to the glass on the printer. After that, you're just going to go ahead and wipe down the glass, making sure to remove any kind of dirt, dust, fingerprints, any kind of ink buildup, whiteout buildup, tape, anything like that. And then keep in mind that there's certain things like ink buildup and whiteout that are a little more stubborn and require a little more elbow grease to get off. So if you do see those areas, just go over them a few more times until you're happy with the way everything looks and you don't see anything remaining on the glass. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, I would recommend doing a couple of test scans or test copies until you're making sure that you're happy with the results. Because I cleaned both pieces of glass here today, I would actually try both methods, both doing a face down copy and using this top document feeder, making sure I'm happy with the results from both ways of scanning or copying. Again, if you're still getting some slight little blemishes, there's still probably something that's being a little more stubborn on that glass. Just go back over it, clean it one more time, and that should take care of it. Other than that, you should be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help provide you with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help provide this for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.